Have you ever grabbed a cheap jug of synthetic oil off the bottom shelf, then quietly wondered if the expensive bottle right above it was secretly born in the very same factory? The strange truth is that a few of these bargain oils are actually blended by the exact same giant companies that sell the famous premium brands you already know and trust. Today, we are going to walk through 5 inexpensive synthetic oils that share a genuinely surprising family connection with some of the most respected names in the entire oil aisle. This matters because understanding who really makes your oil can quietly save you real money every single year without ever forcing you to gamble on the health of your engine. The oil aisle is one of the few places in the whole store where the difference between a smart buy and a wasteful one can come down to simply knowing one single hidden fact. Before we get to the 5 hidden gems, you really need to understand why a serious oil company would ever choose to sell a cheaper version of its own premium product.
If you have ever noticed that a humble store-brand cereal or battery is quietly produced by a famous name, then you already understand the basic trick at work inside the oil aisle. Retailers love these private label products because they sell at a lower price yet still earn a healthy margin, and shoppers love saving money on something they buy again and again. The first reason is simple market strategy, because a single corporation often wants to capture both the shopper chasing a bargain and the driver who happily pays for the premium label. By owning 2 separate brands at 2 different price points, that company can sit on both ends of the shelf and quietly win the sale no matter which bottle you finally reach for. Many of these value brands and premium brands are blended in the same plants using base oils and additive systems that the parent company already buys in absolutely enormous quantities. The real differences usually come down to the tier of the base oil, the richness of the additive package, and of course, the size of the marketing budget behind the fancier name. Branding itself carries a very real cost, since glossy advertising and racing sponsorships and premium packaging all have to be paid for somewhere along the way to the store shelf. When you choose the quieter value label from that same parent company, you're often skipping a chunk of that marketing expense while still getting most of the engineering underneath.
There is one quiet fact that ties this entire puzzle together and hands you real power as a shopper standing in that confusing aisle full of colorful and very similar-looking jugs. Any oil that carries the official API and ILSAC certification marks has passed the same battery of demanding industry tests, no matter whether it happened to cost $6 or $16. That little starburst symbol and the round service donut printed on the back label are the great equalizer, since they prove the oil met a strict and widely shared performance standard. To be completely honest and fair, the word close is simply not the same as the word identical, so a value oil can meet the standard while its premium sibling still uses richer chemistry. It really helps to understand what actually changes as you slowly climb from the value shelf all the way up to the premium shelf inside one single and very familiar brand family. Most modern synthetics start from a refined base oil, and the premium lines often use a higher and more uniform grade of that base in order to gain extra stability under serious heat. Engineers quietly sort base oils into different groups, with the higher groups offering greater purity and better resistance to breaking down when the engine gets genuinely hot. A premium bottle might lean on one of those higher groups or that natural gas base, while the value bottle leans on a slightly more ordinary base that still clears every required test. Some flagship oils, like the very top Pennzoil synthetics, even begin from natural gas through a special process that creates an unusually clean and remarkably pure starting base. On top of that base, every quality oil receives a careful blend of detergents and anti-wear agents that quietly do the heavy lifting deep inside your running engine mile after mile. Premium lines tend to carry a richer dose of those protective additives, which can help them survive longer drain intervals and noticeably harsher operating conditions out on the road. The value line usually meets that very same certification with a slightly lighter touch, which is perfectly fine for an owner who changes the oil on a normal and sensible schedule. This is exactly why a bargain synthetic can protect the daily commuter beautifully, while a hard-working tow rig might genuinely benefit from stepping up to the richer premium bottle. With all of that groundwork finally in place, let us start naming names and matching each bargain bottle to the premium brand that is quietly standing right behind it on the shelf.
Our first hidden gem is Quaker State Full Synthetic, that familiar green bottle which has quietly transformed itself from a basic budget oil into a genuinely strong modern performer. The premium brand standing right behind it is Pennzoil, and this connection is no rumor at all, because the energy giant Shell has owned both of these famous names for many years. Shell took control of the combined Pennzoil and Quaker State business back in the year 2002, placing both of these well-known brands firmly under one single corporate roof. Inside that family, Pennzoil plays the role of the premium flagship, while Quaker State is very deliberately positioned as the dependable and far more affordable everyday choice for drivers. Before Pennzoil moved its premium synthetics over to that special base oil made from natural gas, the top Quaker State synthetic was remarkably close to Pennzoil Platinum in its formulation. Quaker State has even confirmed that its current synthetics do not use that same gas-to-liquid base, so today the two are really siblings rather than perfectly identical matching twins. Independent testing has shown the Quaker State Ultimate Durability line performing right alongside several oils that happen to carry a noticeably higher price tag on the very same shelf.
Quaker State now backs its oil with a bold warranty program, offering trade-in value up to $3,000 for drivers who choose to use the brand exclusively over the long haul. That long warranty famously stretches up to 10 years or 300,000 miles for owners who stick faithfully with the brand through every single oil change along the way. For a daily driver on a normal oil change schedule, this humble green bottle delivers serious protection from a company that has well over a century of real oil experience behind it.
Our second gem comes straight from the most famous synthetic oil family in the entire world, and countless drivers walk right past it without ever realizing the quiet connection. Mobil Super Synthetic is the more affordable line sold by ExxonMobil, which is the very same enormous corporation that produces the legendary premium oil simply known as Mobil 1. When you see Mobil 1 printed on a bottle, you are looking at the flagship synthetic, while Mobil Super sits just below it as the smart value option from that exact same maker. ExxonMobil openly stands behind and warranties both the Mobil 1 and the Mobil Super product lines, which quietly tells you that the company genuinely trusts the quality of each one. The premium Mobil 1 brand was introduced back in the 1970s and has since become a real fixture in professional racing and in serious high-performance street cars alike. The premium Mobil 1 line generally uses more robust chemistry for extreme temperatures and longer drain intervals, and that advanced protection is exactly what you pay a little extra to get. For an owner who changes oil at sensible intervals and simply wants a trusted name without the very top-tier price, the Mobil Super line is a quietly smart and dependable pick. It carries the full backing of a company whose flagship oil is the factory recommendation for brands as serious as Porsche, as Bentley, and the entire Chevrolet lineup of vehicles. Plenty of seasoned mechanics keep the more affordable Mobil Super on their own shelves, precisely because they understand the serious chemistry expertise that quietly stands behind it. Our third hidden gem hides behind the counter of a store you have almost certainly visited, since it wears the very familiar blue and yellow colors of the Napa Auto Parts chain. The Napa-branded full synthetic motor oil is reported right on its own label to be made by Valvoline, which is one of the oldest and most respected oil companies in all of America. Valvoline traces its long history all the way back to 1866, and it was famously the recommended motor oil during the very early days of the original Ford Model T. Valvoline became its own independent company back in 2017, yet it still remains one of the most established and widely trusted lubricant makers anywhere on the entire planet. When you buy the Napa jug, you are very likely getting genuine Valvoline chemistry, simply wearing a different colored coat, and often at a clearly lower price for every single quart. That means the premium equivalent here is Valvoline's own respected synthetic range, including its newer advanced lines that are built to clean deposits and protect modern turbocharged engines. As always with these store brands, the actual supplier can quietly change over time, so reading the manufactured by line on the back of the jug is a very smart habit to build for yourself. Drivers have spotted the Napa Synthetic on sale for just a few dollars per quart, which makes it a quietly compelling option whenever the price climbs on the bigger name brands. Our fourth gem is a brand that millions of drivers see sitting at the dealership counter without ever once guessing who actually blends the oil inside the bottle being sold to them. AC Delco is the in-house parts brand of General Motors, and its full synthetic oil that meets the Dexos standard has been reported to actually be blended for them by ExxonMobil. That interesting detail comes from the product safety data sheets rather than any loud advertising campaign, so it deserves to be treated as a strong report rather than a flashy billboard. If that arrangement happens to hold for the specific bottle in your hand, then your dealer oil is quietly coming from the very same maker that is responsible for premium Mobil 1. These manufacturing deals can shift over time and can even vary between different oil weights, so the honest move is always to verify the printed label on your own specific jug first. Even so, the simple idea that a humble dealer-branded oil might share a birthplace with one of the most premium names on the whole market is a genuinely pleasant little surprise. Our fifth and final gem keeps everything inside one single famous family, since Castrol GTX and the premium Castrol Edge both come directly from that very same well-known oil brand. Castrol GTX has spent many decades as the trusted everyday workhorse oil, while Castrol Edge sits clearly above it as the premium line built for stronger protection under heavy stress. Being completely fair and clear, these two simply share a brand name rather than hiding any secret owner, so the value here is really about choosing the right tier for your own needs. The GTX family, including its popular Magnatech version, leans on clinging additives that aim to protect your engine during those vulnerable first few moments right after a cold start. For a well-maintained engine on a standard schedule, the cheaper GTX delivers proven protection from a brand whose premium bottle is sitting just a few inches away on that same shelf. Castrol built much of its reputation on motorsport and heavy-duty engineering, so even the cheaper GTX carries the genuine technical heritage of a brand that is obsessed with reducing friction. Now, I owe you a little honesty about three famous bargain oils that people constantly assume are secretly made by a premium brand, because the real story is actually a little different. The Costco Kirkland Signature Oil, the Walmart SuperTech Oil, and the Amazon Basics Oil are all widely reported to be blended by a single company called Warren Distribution. Warren, which now operates under the name Highline Warren, is one of the largest independent oil blenders in North America, rather than any kind of glamorous premium oil brand. That means these three are genuinely excellent value, and they do meet the proper certifications, yet they simply do not have a famous premium twin the way our five main gems clearly do. I would honestly much rather tell you that plainly than invent a fake connection, since the entire point of this video is real information that you can actually trust and verify yourself. So how do you put all of this useful knowledge to real practical use the very next time you are standing in that aisle with a shopping cart and a genuinely tight monthly budget? The single most useful habit is simply flipping the jug around and reading the fine print, where a manufactured by or a distributed by line will often quietly reveal the true source. The second habit is checking for the API certification mark and the correct specification for your car, since that little symbol proves the oil cleared the same tough industry hurdles. The third habit is honestly matching the oil to your real driving, because a value synthetic is plenty for normal intervals, while genuinely severe use may justify the premium line. Your owner's manual quietly holds the exact specification that your engine was actually engineered around, and meeting that specification matters far more than the logo on the bottle. A bargain oil that meets your manufacturer's specification will protect your engine properly, even if a pricier sibling happens to offer a little extra margin for truly extreme conditions. It also helps to remember that changing your oil on time with a certified product protects your engine far more powerfully than chasing the single most expensive jug in the whole store. Consistency is the quiet hero of engine longevity, and a certified value oil used faithfully will almost always beat a premium oil that gets neglected and left sitting in for far too long.
The smartest shoppers calmly ignore both the cheapest possible jug and the flashiest possible label, and they simply match the right certified oil to their own specific car and habits. When you step back, the big lesson from this whole tour is that the wall separating bargain oil from premium oil is very often far thinner than those price tags would have you believe. A handful of these value bottles are quietly blended by the very same powerful companies behind the premium names, and that single piece of knowledge hands real leverage back to you. So the next time someone insists that you absolutely must buy the most expensive oil on the shelf, you can smile and check the label before you make a calm and genuinely informed choice.